This short recording is about why shadows cannot be involved with the moon's phases. So here we're looking at the crescent phase. We have here the lit up part of the sun, and here we have the night side of the moon. So here's the same scenario. The moon is relatively close to the sun as seen from Earth, and then here we have a view from space, and we know that the moon orbits in such a way. And then, of course, it continues on. It's a little bit out of the screen. There is no way that the sunlight could hit as follows. That the sunlight hits here, Earth, and then the Earth shadow has to be behind the Earth. There's no way it can point towards the moon, which is exemplified. I'm going to take this away here, this arrow, which is exemplified by what we know about shadows, which is that we have the light source here, and here's the object, and the shadow has to be on the other side, just like it is in the other picture. Light source, object, the shadow is always on the opposite side. And the only way that this can happen, that the moon can get in the shadow, is by being on the other side, so during a lunar eclipse. So going back to this drawing here, when the moon is on the other side during, that would be actually the full moon, where it is usually orbiting above the shadow of the Earth or below it, that if it goes right through the Earth's shadow, which happens every 6 months, then we have a lunar eclipse, but that's the only time that the Earth's shadow comes into play.